सेलिब्रिटीज जैसे कि करण जौहर, इलॉन मस्क, ओपरा and even Tanmay Bhatt are rumored to be taking this new weight loss drug called Ozempic, जो नया ड्रग आया है मार्केट में फॉर फैट लॉस. Should you be taking it? Is it safe and is it the shortcut that you need to reach your weight loss and fitness goals? आज हम इसे एड्रेस करेंगे. वेलकम टू द चैनल. मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर मनन वोरा. मैं हूं एक ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन और स्पोर्ट्स मेडिसिन डॉक्टर. और अगर फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में कुछ नया आता है तो फ्रॉम द मेडिकल साइड आई वांट टू रिव्यू इट. टुडे we'll be discussing about Ozempic and whether you should consider it. Let's start. अभी जिसने Ozempic के बारे में सुना नहीं है, let me tell you that this is an FDA approved drug and it is actually used in the treatment of type 2 diabetes to help control blood sugar levels. What also happens that when you take it, it reduces the chances of you having any cardiovascular event. मतलब heart disease protection भी आपको देता है and it also helps in fat and weight loss. So naturally this has got everyone interested क्योंकि इसका side effect या byproduct है weight loss. It was not originally created to be taken for weight loss, but because it has a side effect of byproduct of weight loss, everyone is super keen to try it out as a shortcut to lose their weight. Let's first find out what exactly it contains. Ozempic contains semaglutide, which mimics the hormone GLP-1. And what does it do? It lets your body think that it is full. It works as an appetite suppressant by delaying your gastric emptying time and giving you a feeling of fullness, so you end up not eating in the first place or end up not having frequent meals because you are feeling extremely full. So जैसे कि मैंने बताया, Ozempic was used for type 2 diabetes, but they are trying to rebrand it by taking the semaglutide and actually rebrand it as Wegovy, which is being used only as a weight loss medication. Now does this have any side effects? Certain side effects have been reported, जैसे कि आपको nausea हो सकता है, vomiting हो सकता है, and even more diarrhea or constipation is possible. What also happens is that in case you are not able to actually feel that fullness after taking the medication, you will tend to overeat while you are on this medication, which can make your side effects even more severe. Let's talk how much weight can you possibly lose if you take this medication. The answer is extremely significant weight. You can lose from 14% to 22% of your body weight. अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है. जब आप वेट लॉस करते हो, आप या तो फैट लॉस कर सकते हो या लीन मसल मास आपका भी लॉस हो सकता है, which means you are losing muscle. When you take this medication, it is basically an appetite suppressant. This means that you are consuming lesser calories than possible than before. This means you are not getting all the nutrients from your entire balanced nutrition and diet that you should be getting, and your protein intake will go down, which means that when you lose the weight, there are chances that you will lose muscle as well. This is why it is extremely important कि आप self medicate करके over the counter ये medicine ना ले. It should be taken only if it is really required medically under a doctor's supervision, with the dosage slowly increased based on the effects and side effects that you are experiencing. And it has to be supplemented with a nutrition program to make sure you are consuming enough protein and an exercise program that promotes strength training, both of which will promote an increase in muscle mass and will prevent you from losing muscle as you lose the weight. Now let's talk about availability. क्या ये इंडिया में available है? In the oral form it is available, but you need a doctor's prescription for it. लेकिन जो main Wegovy है, जो लोग अब्रॉड ले रहे हैं, दैट इज द इंजेक्टेबल फॉर्म विच इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया राइट नाउ. इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी अवेलेबल इन इंडिया इन 2025. इफ यू आर वंडरिंग हाउ मच विल इट कॉस्ट, there is still some debate about that, but expected amount is supposed to be around 10,000 rupees per month. That is how expensive it will be. अभी आते हैं फाइनल वर्डिक्ट पे. आप बोलोगे डॉक्टर मनन, should I consider it? My answer is absolutely not. Do not look for a shortcut unless it is medically indicated for you and you are a diabetic patient and your doctor is advising it. That is totally different. But otherwise, I would suggest go for lifestyle changes. आप अपने एक्सरसाइज पे फोकस कीजिए, आपके न्यूट्रिशन पे फोकस कीजिए, आपके स्लीप हेल्थ एंड मेंटल हेल्थ पे फोकस कीजिए, एंड ओवर टाइम यू विल सी रिजल्ट. एवरी नाउ एंड देन अ न्यू थिंग विल come out that will tempt you into going for the shorter route, but I'm sorry to break your bubble. Ozempic or Wegovy is not that for you. You need to do it the hard way, the right way, by changing your lifestyle. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, do drop a comment, do share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.